Did you know only 44% of 8th grade students could solve a 3-digit division sum properly? And only 73% of grade 8 children could read a class 2 level text. Meet Suma, a 14-year-old girl. Suma and her sister were abandoned by their father after their mother passed away battling cancer. MMC Trust provided home to both the sisters. During my interaction with Suma, I noticed her willingness to learn, but she lacked basic concepts and her fees for the year 2021 was not paid. I didn't want Suma to discontinue her studies due to the lack of funding, so I decided to fund her education for 1 year. Suma got help, but what about other children? Hi, I'm Ashmita. I'm an 8th grader and a 1M1B future leader. My project E4E or Education for Everyone is dedicated to help underprivileged children aged 10 to 15 who lack adequate resources and funding for their education. My project E4E aligns with the SDG number 4, Quality Education. I started my project with the idea of fundraising for the education of underprivileged children. I interviewed many children at childcare trusts. While interacting with them, I realized that though they were going to school, they were not learning at the age-appropriate levels. A class 8 student didn't know fractions, while a 10th grader could not pronounce the word wood. That was the turning point for me. I then realized that it isn't just education that matters, but the quality of education that matters. I then pivoted my project to provide quality education to underprivileged children, in addition to fundraising for sponsoring their education. As part of my project, I teach fundamental education like English grammar, numeracy skills, and general knowledge. So far, I have taken 9 sessions at 3 childcare trusts and 2 low-income schools. After every session, I have received an overwhelming response from the children and the authorities. I have also sponsored a library at my Savior School. I create educational videos which I upload on my YouTube channel called Quality Education Learn to Lead, which has over 100 subscribers and 1200 plus views. I have prepared a curriculum kit called Edufication Toolkit for 6th to 8th graders, including subjects Math, English, and General Knowledge. Till now, I have impacted more than 240 students directly through my sessions and 300 students indirectly through my videos and toolkit. I have partnered with MMC Trust, Sri Sai Kripa Trust, and 2 low-income schools. I have also funded the half-yearly education for Pooja, a grade 1 student. Her mother lost her job as a housemaid due to COVID and couldn't afford Pooja's education. Till date, I have collected 55,000 rupees going door to door and reaching out to people on social media. While executing this project, I faced several challenges, major one being the COVID-19 pandemic. Many schools and trusts didn't allow face-to-face interaction with the children. While fundraising, I realized that although everyone appreciated my work, very few actually donated. But I'm not going to stop. I will continue to raise funds, improvise my toolkit, and proliferate my educational model to other trusts and schools. This journey as a future leader has been very enriching for me, and the best part being the happiness and excitement I saw on children's faces. I greatly thank my mentors at 1M1B for the continuous guidance and encouragement. 1M1B has taught me to be more empathetic, passionate, and confident. You can reach out to me on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and follow my YouTube channel. I believe that quality education to an ignited mind can strengthen the nation.